Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your TradingView background black. First, navigate to the chart settings by right-clicking anywhere on your chart. From the context menu that appears, simply select Color Theme and then choose the dark option. This quick action will immediately transform your entire TradingView interface, including the charts and panels, into a sleek, darker theme, perfect for reducing eye strain during long trading sessions. To further customize your chart's background, open the chart settings once more. This time, navigate to the Appearance tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Background. Click on the color box next to it to bring up the color picker. You can then select a pure black or a very dark shade of gray to achieve your desired aesthetic, making your indicators and price action stand out clearly against the dark canvas. Once you've perfected your dark background and other visual preferences, it's wise to save your settings as a custom theme. In the Chart Settings window, locate the Template button. Click on it, then choose Save as from the drop-down menu. Give your new dark theme a memorable name, like My Dark Mode. Now, you can easily apply this saved template to any new or existing chart with just one click, ensuring consistency across your workspace. Beyond the background, you can fine-tune other visual elements for a truly personalized dark theme. In the Appearance tab, adjust the colors of grid lines, scales, and text to ensure they offer good contrast against your dark background. Don't forget to experiment with different candle body and border colors to find what works best for your trading style. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and more. These small adjustments can significantly enhance your overall charting experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.